Did you know that mixing the wrong foods together in your kitchen could be harming your health without you even knowing it? It might sound harmless, but certain food combinations can quietly trigger dangerous chemical reactions in your body, some even linked to digestive disorders, chronic fatigue, and long-term disease. Experts warn that what seems like an innocent recipe could actually be setting you up for bloating, nutrient malabsorption, and in some cases, even cancer-causing compounds. And here's the terrifying part. Most people cook these combinations every single day. So if you want to protect your gut, boost nutrient absorption, and avoid meals that could silently sabotage your health, make sure you watch this until the end. Let's dive into the 10 foods you should never cook together and why. 1. Eggs plus fried bacon. This classic breakfast combo might taste amazing, but there's a hidden danger when these two are cooked together at high heat. Bacon is a processed meat high in sodium and preservatives like nitrates. When combined with high-protein foods like eggs and cooked at high temperatures, especially when fried, the heat can trigger a chemical reaction that forms nitrosamines, which have been linked to increased cancer risk, especially colon cancer. On top of that, this combo is very high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and put extra strain on your heart over time. While an occasional bacon and egg breakfast won't harm you, eating this regularly can lead to serious health issues, particularly for those over 40. Tip: try switching to turkey bacon or boiling your eggs instead of frying them. Add spinach, avocado, or tomatoes to your plate for a lighter, nutrient-rich breakfast. 2. Cheese plus meat. Combining cheese with meat, especially in heavy, greasy meals like cheeseburgers, meat pizza, or lasagna, can overwhelm your digestive system. Both are rich in protein and fat, and your body needs different enzymes to break each of them down. When you overload your system with both at once, digestion slows down, which can lead to bloating, gas, and even acid reflux. In the long term, regularly eating these rich combinations can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease. Many people also underestimate the sodium content in these meals, which can elevate blood pressure over time. Tip: choose one major protein per meal, either meat or cheese, not both. Pair it with veggies or whole grains to improve digestion and keep you feeling full without the discomfort. 3. Milk plus citrus. Combining milk with citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, or pineapples may seem harmless, but the acid in the fruits reacts with the proteins in milk. This causes the milk to curdle in your stomach, which can lead to indigestion, gas, and a heavy, bloated feeling. It can also interfere with how well your body absorbs calcium and other nutrients from milk. This is especially true when cooking recipes that mix both ingredients, like certain desserts or smoothies, where the curdling effect happens more quickly. Tip: avoid mixing dairy and citrus in the same meal or recipe. If you want both, have them at separate times, at least an hour apart. 4. Rice plus tomatoes. Rice is a high-starch food and tomatoes are acidic. When cooked together, like in stuffed peppers, tomato rice, or some casseroles, the acid from tomatoes can slow down the body's ability to digest the starch properly. This delayed digestion can cause the food to ferment in your gut, leading to gas, bloating, and discomfort. It also reduces the glycemic balance of the meal, which may cause blood sugar spikes in some people, especially those with insulin resistance. Tip: if you love tomato-based rice dishes, try adding tomatoes near the end of cooking to reduce the acidity effect. Or use milder tomato varieties and balance the dish with leafy greens or legumes. 5. Fish plus yogurt. This is a traditional food rule in many cultures, and modern science is starting to back it up. Fish is considered a heating food, while yogurt has a cooling effect on the digestive system. Combining them may not immediately make you sick, but it could cause imbalances in digestion, leading to skin issues, allergies, or stomach discomfort in sensitive people. Additionally, both foods are protein-rich, and when eaten together, they can slow down digestion and create a heavy feeling. Tip: wait 2 to 3 hours between eating fish and dairy products. Enjoy yogurt with grains or fruits and fish with vegetables or herbs. 6. Onions plus garlic, overcooked. Onions and garlic are both amazing for your health, rich in natural sulfur compounds that help fight inflammation and support heart health. But when cooked at very high temperatures for too long, especially in fried dishes, those beneficial compounds start to break down. Overcooking them also gives a bitter flavor and reduces their antioxidant properties. If you're using processed cooking oils or cooking at high heat, this effect is even worse. Tip: Cook onions on medium heat until soft and golden and add garlic in the last few minutes of cooking to preserve its nutrients and flavor. 7. Red meat plus potatoes. This is a comfort food favorite. Steak and mashed potatoes or beef stew with potatoes, but the combination isn't ideal for your digestion. Red meat takes a long time to break down, and potatoes are starchy and convert quickly into sugar. The digestive enzymes needed for each are different, so when eaten together, your body has to work overtime. This can lead to gas, heaviness, and energy crashes. Over time, it may even contribute to poor gut health and insulin resistance. Tip: if you're craving red meat, pair it with non-starchy vegetables like green beans, broccoli, or salad to ease digestion and avoid sluggishness after meals. 8. Bread plus jam, high-sugar combo. This may be a nostalgic breakfast, but it's not the best for your energy levels. White bread is made from refined flour, which turns into sugar quickly. Adding jam, a pure sugar spread, on top causes a spike in blood glucose levels. The result? A burst of energy followed by a crash that leaves you tired and hungry again within an hour. Over time, these blood sugar spikes can stress your pancreas and increase your risk of developing insulin-related problems. Tip: choose whole grain or sourdough bread for better fiber and nutrient content, and top it with healthy fats like nut butter, which slow sugar absorption and keep you full longer. 9. Shrimp plus vitamin C, like bell peppers. This one is less known but still important. Cooking shrimp with foods very high in vitamin C, such as bell peppers or citrus, can lead to chemical reactions that may release tiny amounts of toxic compounds like arsenic, especially in lower quality or imported shrimp. Even if the risk is low, it's worth avoiding the combination when cooking at home, particularly for children or people with weakened immune systems. Tip: cook shrimp separately and serve it with neutral vegetables like zucchini, green beans, or carrots. Save the citrus or vitamin C-rich foods for a different dish. 10. Mushrooms plus alcohol. Mushrooms are a great source of fiber and antioxidants, but they don't pair well with alcohol when cooked. Many recipes call for wine or brandy-based sauces, but alcohol reduces the digestibility of mushrooms and can destroy some of their key nutrients during cooking. Also, alcohol slows down stomach activity, making it harder to process the fibrous structure of mushrooms, leading to discomfort or bloating. Tip: for maximum health benefits, sauté mushrooms with a small amount of olive oil or vegetable broth and season with herbs like thyme, rosemary, or black pepper. As you can see, even healthy foods can work against your body if combined or cooked the wrong way. But now that you know which combinations to avoid, you're one step closer to better digestion, more energy, and smarter cooking. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And for more health tips made simple, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy smart cooking.